Now this morning, we're going to welcome back financial planner Jeff Hahn from SC Parker. And we're going to talk first about the current state of the market because it has made a little bit of a change. So good morning. Nice to have you here.
Well, yeah, we need some bulls back in the market.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we're in a little bit of a correction right now.
Okay.
Just in the last month, really, Linda. You know, a month ago we were talking about all-time highs.
Oh, yeah.
A month and a half ago. So, so it's normal. We're letting our clients know it is normal.
Yeah.
Right. Corrections usually happen, I think it's every 11.4 months or something like that.
That's true.
So we're telling people stay calm. You know, you want to look at your assets though. Make sure you're balanced the way you want to be, but be prepared for a little more choppiness in the market.
In all my years on this show, we've talked about corrections a lot. Yeah. So if there's always something that happens and we work through it, and next thing you know, hopefully it's on the rise again.
You bet.
You wanted to talk about a recent case which could be very similar to maybe your situation at home.
Yes, so a mom and dad are in their 80s. Their children are in their 50s. There's grandchildren involved with everything now. But they hadn't looked at their will or the beneficiaries on the retirement plans, which are a substantial asset for a lot of folks. So we had to go through all of that. First of all, from our perspective, we changed some of the beneficiary designations for them. And they also added what's called a transfer on death feature to the accounts. So it's like with a regular investment account or a bank account, the money can go to the designated people without having to go through the probate process.
That's wonderful.
It is. It's a real time saver. And simplifies things. You know, there's two things we always tell the clients, right? One, if we can do something to improve the quality of your investments, we're going to do that. And two, if we can simplify things for you, we're going to look for ways to do that as well.
Is that a new law?
It's a more recent law. It's actually about 10 years old, if I recall correctly. But it's something you want to check with your advisor. You know, it's not for everybody.
Right.
But for a lot of cases, it works out really well. And in this particular one, it worked out really well.
You know, Jeff, you bring up to light a really good point, and that is you may think, okay, I'm all set, I have a will, but have you looked at that will lately? If you've made it more than 10 years ago, 15 years ago, so much has changed in your life. You'll be astounded of what's still in there. You really want to go and take a look at that.
Yeah, I would contact your attorney and spend some time on it. Because time goes so fast, Linda.
Right.
You know, a lifetime is, wow, it just shoots by. And something you want to
well, you know, a lot of things have played out since maybe you did the will, and now you're looking at it going, I'm leaving them what?
Exactly.
I don't think so.
Right.
So this way, you're still in control. You know what? That could be really a great thing when you think about New Year's coming. Great resolution is to get a handle on all this stuff. I think, Jeff, there's still a lot of people who see you as someone who only works with wealthy people.
Well, and actually it's the opposite for us. I mean, well, I shouldn't say the opposite, because we have a lot of wealthy clients. And we have a lot of clients who we've helped become wealthy, and that's what our real goal is. Right, is to take someone, and I'm especially interested in our next generation, the millennials, have a kind of a suspect reputation as investors, right? We need to get them invest more.
Right.
So yeah, we spend a lot of time on the education and just getting folks started and explaining what it's all about, and a lot of time on just explaining what your investments are. It's so complex.
And Jeff can also help you, if again, with that next generation, you're seeing people who are in so much more debt than they ever were at this point in their life before. And Jeff can help you navigate through that and make the best of that situation, whether it's refinancing loans or, you know, just good advice about what to do first. So what you want to do, if you've never done it before, is get in touch with someone like Jeff Hahn over at SC Parker. Sit down, take a good look. You might be pleasantly surprised by what you have, but you're going to be even happier after that appointment because you're going to find out where it is you're going. SC Parker, they're in it for you. 5892 Main Street, Williamsville. Call them right now, 632-6800, or log on to scparker.com and tell them Linda sent you.